Ka Sorkar Jela hakakat lai terik jeliu kala shim ya karai benang penklan syuk ya ka an Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act MRSSA arjar khandriu khnang ban la ban penduna bat khanglat ya ka jingwan rung kiri boman sya Meghalaya ha ka rukom kinong wan syangkai perthei. Kani ke jing terwala shim bakalong ke bakong san bha khamtam hadian ke jing ja sya penyap jong wei unong wan syangkai na Indore Madhya Pradesh u Raja Raghuvanshi u bala sya penyap hala ke jong ka kurim bat ki paralok usamla jongka ha ke jing wan syangkai sngwa sya sora. Habakren syakilat pathai khubor hadian ke jing yalang jong ka kunhun menteri u nong aiktien ke Sorkar MDA u menteri u ba pol lingdo u laong. Ka kenhun menteri mentah kesengi kala rai ru ban syong bishar biang ya ka MRSSA ka badai ka an ke jela ka baladon lupa bat banang penklan syuk ya ke ni ka an hadin bangila saki ya ka ka balaja ha ka thain sora kenang ban penti kena bangin la ban penduna kat bala ya ka jingwan rung ki rius new sya Meghalaya ha ka rukom kum kinong wan jungok kai. Ha ka bai dei ber ka jing ya ki persya halor ka jing penslam ban pentri kam ya ka ina line permit ILP ha Meghalaya. Uba Pol Ulaong bakani ka kam kadang sakut hapo ka Ministry of Home Affairs MHA. Hakabay day ber ka ILP sya bangan penkan mau ya pi ba ka ying dorbar thau an ka jela kala dep ban menjur ya ka resolution. Kani ka kam kadang sakut hapo ka MHA ka balabu shibun ki jingkeli ya ka bangikum ka Sorkar ngila persyang ban le AA. Katto kat ni nak kini ki jingkeli ki adai ber ke jing shisha baka Meghalaya kam dei ke jaka ka badon jingkut henrei ka dei ka lenti ya syaki wei pat ki jela kum ka than sya te lami ngi kum sya silchar bat ki wei pat ki jela kum sya Mizoram bat Tripura ulaong. Habakeli uba pol ulaong henrei lada piyai lingba ka MRSSA kila don lupa shibun ki AKA henrei ngidon kam benang penklan bat penjana ya ki ki bangila don lupa ha ka MRSSA. Kat kum ke jing penpau ke jong u na kaliang ke Sorkar syen kan sawan ra ya ke jing terwa na ke bentaban penklan syuk ya ka MRSSA.
Because the cabinet today also decided to revisit the MRSSA, which is already an existing state act, to add more teeth to this act in view of what we have just experienced at Sora, and to ensure that we minimize the possibility of criminal elements entering Meghalaya in the guise of tourists. As far as the ILP is concerned, let me remind you that the State Assembly has already adopted a resolution. The matter is pending before the MHA, which has a number of queries which we as a state government are trying to address. So some of these queries relate to the fact that Meghalaya is not an endpoint. We are also connecting the rest of the northeast, like the states of like Silchar and the states of Mizoram and Tripura. So there are certain queries, but if you go through the MRSSA, there is already a lot that is already in place, but we need to upscale and further improve upon what we already have in the MRSSA. So we will come up with formal proposal. RSSA is our version of what we would like to do in order to ensure the safety of all residents of Meghalaya. But as I mentioned, we would like now to revisit the Act in order to plug whatever loopholes are currently in it and give it more dynamism and more thrust with whatever has happened at Sora, so that we ensure that we have an atmosphere that is safe and we continue to be tourist friendly.
This will be revisiting the 2016 MRSSA or
the current MRSSA which is in force.